is not at all pink. Like, I got sent the wrong plant. Very sad. I can already say I had issues once before.
Hey, what's up guys? Yes, I'm Kristina from Raphidophora and today I am reviewing another online shop. I ordered something from plants.com and I thought I'd do a short unboxing and also a brief review of the shop. So if you are considering ordering there, here are my experiences with plants.com. Before we start, I will just leave this right here. Just consider maybe lightly smash the subscribe button. I would very much appreciate it. And now let's get into it. Okay, I've got a huge box. I ordered 2 baby plants, I believe, and 1 bigger plants from the baby plants store and the normal plant store. I ordered on Sunday. Today is Wednesday, so 3 days later. Sunday is not really counting, so considering it has to come from the Netherlands here to Germany, that's a great shipping time. Let's open up this baby and see how the plants are packaged. Well, I've got my trusty utensils and now it's time to unpack this baby. Dun, 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 dun. So as always, it's nicely packed with a little card, which has obviously some notes how to care for your plants. I love the paper that they send their packages with. Very good packaging. Nothing is like flying around in the box. We have a few baby plants right here, another one right here. I got a little extra. They sent this really cute bag with a monstera leaf on it, which is so nice. Also have 1 big plant right here in this plastic packaging to fit the pot perfectly and then be safe for the plant here on top. So these are all our goods. They look well so far. I can already say it was packaged well. I ordered at plants.com like at least 5 times now and it was always good packaging. Nothing was flying around. All the plants are secure in their little plastic boxes. In here for the baby plants, nothing is like flying around. The pot is safe. Of course, the leaves are getting a little bit squished in this thing. If you have ordered a big plant, it will probably have a few folds in the leaf. I won't keep you waiting any longer. So let's open up the baby plants first. I think there are some spicy ones. I have ordered a pink princess. I already have a pink princess that I ordered like 2 years ago, but I didn't know which plant exactly I was getting, so it just said pink princess and you couldn't choose like the exact plant. That's the same for plants.com. We don't know if the variegation actually is good or not. The one that I got 2 years ago is not at all pink. Like, it's very sad. It's very, very sad. Very disappointing. Maybe I have more luck this time. It obviously can just be like bad luck again. I thought I buy it so you don't have to. In worst case scenario that we don't have any pink again, then you know what to expect and maybe you don't need to buy one. So from what I can tell, it already has more pink than the last pink princess that I bought. It has significantly more speckled variegation, which I like. If it's too sectoral, the chances are high that it's gonna lose it one day. So if it's all over the leaves, I have higher hopes of it really like staying in the plant. I'm pretty content with the amount of pink variegation. We have a new leaf coming in here. And for the price, it was $29.95. which is, I think, a very reasonable price for a pink princess. I know they are not really rare anymore, but you don't find nicely variegated ones so often. So for this price and like the variegation that I got is so good, I'm not mad at all. From what I can see in here, I got sent the wrong plant. What I bought was a Anthurium crystallinum baby plant, a Pilea splash, a pink princess, and then a Raphidophora. But I got sent a Syngonium, what's it called? Syngonium wendlandii. That's not what I wanted because I have this one already. I don't need another one. I can already say I had issues once before in winter and the customer service from plants.com is a-okay. They are really quick to reply. Last time I ordered in winter, the plant suffered from damage in shipping. I got a completely new order and I also got sent a wrong plant, so I was able to keep the plant that I got sent by mistake, and they sent me a new one instead. For the baby plants, they are shipped bare root or like with their little pops of soil. You have to pot them up as soon as you get them. Okay, so let's look at the baby Pilea splash. There's a little bit of splash going on here, and it's still a very young plant, so the variegation is not very well visible, but you get the gist. Now I have all the 4 Pilea. I have 4 different Pilea peperomioides. So I will pot this up as soon as I finish this video. I'm a little bit sad. I was very keen on getting the Anthurium crystallinum. I'll show you anyways. So that's what I got. These are available at the moment, I think. So this is the Syngonium wendlandii. It's a velvet Syngonium with a white stripe and, like, other than that, dark green leaf color. It's also a baby plug. Roots look healthy. I mean, if you would have ordered this one and then got this, I think you could be very content. We got the last plant that is a big plant. We have this one. And this was kind of an impulse buy. Okay, so this plant right here is very wet. I don't know why, if they have watered them before shipping or something, but all the leaves, you can see this sheen on it. All the leaves are very wet, and you can see it here. This is not particularly good for the stem and the petioles because they are all kind of mushy and rotten. But I don't think it's like rot inside the stem or anything, it's just the petioles peeling off the plant. So I'm not very pleased with that. Like, look at this, it's disgusting. Yeah, so these are the petioles. So I don't know what's like wrong with that, but other than that, the leaves look pretty good, and you see it's also a very sizable plant. Got a little bit of damage. We already have some fenestration. This is a, oh, by the way, this is a Raphidophora Foraminifera. It also gets fenestrations, so more fenestrations as it matures. It has so far only one on each leaf. Oh, the newest one already has some more coming. See, this one already has 2. I already have the Raphidophora tetrasperma, and I thought it would be a nice addition to my plant collection. And these leaves can get pretty big, so as you see, they are elongated. All the soil is still in the pot, almost nothing fell out. It's still wet. I will have to clean this one as soon as possible. I might consider a repot actually. I'm not too sure why this plant is so wet, and I don't want it to rot like all the way, so I might give it a repot. All the leaves look pretty good. I'm a little bit sad that the crystallinum didn't get sent to me. I ordered 1 crystallinum. I really wanted a baby crystallinum, so if I receive the plant before this video goes up, I will show you right now. Well, as you can see, you see nothing. It's the next day. I wrote to the customer service right after filming this video. They replied the next morning, which is very fast. I received an email that I will get a full refund for the plant. Unfortunately, they don't have it in stock anymore and can't resend it. So because I was so sad that I didn't get the Anthurium, I got a 10% code that I could use for my next order. Mistakes happen. Mistakes sometimes happen twice, but you know, and I get to keep the Syngonium. This is it from me from the future. Back to the video. The Philodendron Pink Princess arrived in perfect condition. It has nice variegation. It only costs 30 euros, which is, I think, a steal. Then we have this big Raphidophora plant right here. I'm content with the size. It's pretty big. For the price, it's, I think, okay. I never seen it in another shop yet, so maybe these are coming to the market right now. I will definitely order again in the future. I have bought my big Alocasia Friedeck from there, a few bits and bobs right here, baby plants, bigger plants, and I was always content. This is definitely a trustworthy shop. You don't need to be afraid. They have a great selection, in my opinion. They have fast shipping, good customer service. Don't be afraid, go for it, buy the plant. Just do it. Just go buy the plant. Be happy about the plant, yeah? I will enjoy my little bag, put my plants away, clean them, and I will leave you with those 2 videos. You can watch them if you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, enjoy your plants. Bye!